Hey, KiDSCOR leaders, thanks for taking some time to check out this sweet video. We actually believe this video will help you become a better leader. One of the things that makes KiDSCOR awesome is you. All of you serve because you care about kids and want them to know that God loves them. We want to be a place where all leaders are engaging with the kids during the entire service hour. So Sherri, Amy, and Mike are back with a few amazing suggestions on how you can engage with kids during the KiDSCOR programming hour, even when you're not leading a lesson. So sit back and enjoy these tips.
It's not easy staying engaged in a classroom full of babies. We know that. They cry, they want their moms, which, by the way, never say that word in your classroom. MOM is a no-no. It'll make them cry. But here's a couple of tips to keep you engaged with your classroom. We're going to fall back to our old faithful toys. Children love toys, and guess what? They love for you to play with the toy right with them. So pick up a toy and play. Sit on the floor, grab a book to read. Children love to be read to, and you're the perfect person for that job. My biggest suggestion would be just to have fun. Pretend like you're a kid yourself and enjoy your time in nursery and childcare. And here's Amy with more exciting tips.
Thanks, Sherri. One of the most important things you can do as a KiDSCOR leader is to focus your attention on the children. That means from the time the first child walks through that door, you should be interacting with the kids. They love to have your attention, so ask them questions and listen to what they have to say. One of the best times to chat is when they are working on the craft. Don't just instruct them on what to do, but sit down with them and make a craft too. Ask them to tell you about what they're drawing and get to know them. For some of the kids in your class, this could be the most quality attention they will get all week long. So don't miss the opportunity to spread God's love. All right, let's see what Mr. Mike has to say on this subject.
Greet kids as they're coming down the hallway or approaching the check-in table. Let them know you're glad to see them back in KiDSCOR. Ask them questions about their week or weekend and what was their favorite or least favorite part of it. Share a common interest you may have with them that will put them at ease and help them open up and begin sharing. If a kiddo is having trouble engaging, take them over to a window or to the sound booth, somewhere that will help them begin a conversation. If you need to pull out your phone, show them an app with a fun game that you enjoy playing and ask them if they have a favorite game that they like to play. Whatever you do, your goal is to move them into engagement. The more they open up, the more your relationship will build between you and them. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask any of us. We are here to support you and give you the tools you need to make KiDSCOR a great experience.